Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home safely. Okay, good. I am also here safe. Okay, students. Okay, we will thank God. Okay. In accountancy, I think you might have seen the previous video. We have completed two problems, isn't it? So, simply to calculate the profit in incomplete records. Okay, how to calculate the profit? We can calculate the profit through a statement of profit. There we compare the capital. So in short we can say capital comparison method. Okay, this method sometimes they will say or statement of affairs method that we will do in the next class. Today we have some more problems in the same thing, capital comparison method. So only that equation you should know. Okay, what is that equation? You have to start with the closing capital. Closing capital, add drawings, then less additional capital. Then we have to write that capital as adjusted closing capital. Then from this one, if we deduct less opening capital, we will get profit. If the closing capital is more, we get profit. But if the opening capital is more than the closing capital, then it will be a loss. Okay, so now we will see the remaining three problems. I will explain to you. I will show you the illustration and I will do and show the exercise. Okay, the third illustration. Okay, third illustration I will read out. From the following details, calculate the missing figure. Closing capital, additional capital, drawings, opening capital, question mark. So we have to calculate the opening capital. Loss is given. Okay, how it is done, we will see. So first one, closing capital. Okay. Closing capital 1,90,000. Add drawings. Add, we will get 2,20,000, isn't it? Then less additional capital, there 50,000. If we deduct, we will get 1,70,000. Now opening capital is question mark, isn't it? We do not know, but write as it is. Then below you have to write loss. Loss is 40,000. Okay. So I told you when we will get the loss if the opening capital is more. If the closing capital is more, we will get profit. But here loss. So what will be more? The opening capital. So to get this amount, we need to add this amount and this amount. Understand? So we will get this amount, that is the opening capital. Okay. Then the next illustration, fourth illustration. Here opening capital is given 27,500. Okay, opening capital given, goods taken for the personal use. Goods taken for the personal use. That means that goods taken means drawings. Okay, in the form of goods they have taken. So drawings, then additional capital, then profit given. What is asked? So we should think that here they have asked the closing capital. Okay, so you see the problem. Closing, that illustration, the solution. Closing capital, we have to write as it is. Okay, closing capital, add drawings, less additional capital, then that is adjusted closing capital, less opening capital, then profit. Here we have to fill from that profit. Okay, so first write that last one, 10,000. Then less additional opening capital there, no? There we have to write the opening capital 27,500. Okay. Then what we will get? Then we need to add this 10,000 and 27,500. We will get 37,500. That is adjusted closing capital. Then less additional capital. What is the additional capital there? Additional capital 2,500. Then we will get, here they have given less, we should add. Okay, we will get 40,000. Then drawings, how much? 5,000. That 5,000 we write. Here add given, so we need to subtract. Then we will get 35,000. Okay, students. So reverse we have to do. There, if they have given less, we should add. If they add given, we have to deduct. That's it. Then next illustration 5. Here opening capital, closing capital, then additional capital given, then profit for the year, then what is asked? Drawings is asked, isn't it? So here how it is done, we will see. Closing capital. They have asked for the drawings, isn't it? Drawings only question mark. So you can write this one. Don't write here anything. Then this amount also we will not get, isn't it? Then less additional capital we can do from down. Okay. Profit given 15,000. Then opening capital given 2,50,000. Here less given, but we need to add this two. Okay, reverse we have to do. Add, we will get 2,65,000. Then here, then that is called adjusted closing capital. Then here less additional capital, write 30,000. You add these two and write here. So we will get 2,95,000. Now closing capital we know 2,75,000. Add drawings. Okay, here add. So here what we want to write? Here we should deduct this one from this one. We will get this one. Okay. Add means we need to deduct. If we deduct this amount from this amount, we will get this amount. Now you add this one, 2,75,000 plus drawings 20,000, we will get 2,95,000. Okay. That way we have to do. So 3 problems we will do today. Okay. I will explain to you and I will do 3 problems. I will show to you the problem. Okay, just read it. From the following details, calculate the missing figure. Closing capital, then additional capital given, drawings given, opening capital is the question, and loss also given, as it is given in the third exercise, third illustration. Okay. Now we will do this problem. A statement of profit for the year ending that you have to write. Okay. Question number 3. If the year is given, we have to write it. Okay. For the year ending 31st March 2018. Okay, then particulars rupees, only to call. Okay, right, particulars rupees symbol alone you put. Okay, now first one, closing capital. What is the question they have asked? Opening capital. So we know the closing capital. So we will write and do. Closing capital is 80,000. Add drawings. Add drawings. Drawings how much? 15,000. So 95,000. Then less additional capital. Additional capital. This is enough. Okay, only additional capital. There they might have written everything. Fully the additional capital introduced during the year. No need to write. This much enough. Okay, here less additional capital 30,000. So 65,000. This is called adjusted closing capital. Adjusted closing capital. Then from this one what we have to deduct? Less opening capital. That is the question, isn't it? Opening capital we do not know. Then here what is given? Loss incurred during the year. Okay, loss incurred 25,000. I told you if the closing capital will be more for the profit, isn't it? Here it will be less. So what we have to do? We need to add these two and we should write here. Then only the opening capital will be more. So add and write. 5 and 5, 10. Balance 1. 7 plus 2, 9. Now you see opening capital more. Okay, if this is more, we will get profit. If this is more, we will get loss. Okay, that is the one you should understand. Okay, now the fourth one we will do. Okay, before that I will show the problem for you. Okay, the problem I will show to you. The fourth one. Okay. From the following details, calculate capital as on 31st December 2018. Capital, opening capital given. Goods withdrawn, that means drawings. Okay. For personal use by the owner. So that is called drawings. Then additional capital given. Then profit given. Here we need to calculate the closing capital. Okay, the first one we need to calculate. So we want to write first and keep. Then we will go from reverse. Okay, from down we will go. Okay, the fourth one. We need to write the same thing. Statement of profit. For the year ending 31st March to fourth one 31st December 2018. Then we will draw the column. Okay. Amount. Okay. Particulars. Rupee symbol. Okay. So they have asked the closing capital. Okay. Nothing given, we should calculate. If they are given, calculate the capital as on 31st December. So closing capital. We don't know, isn't it? Closing capital we don't know. Add drawings. as it is. We will keep, okay, or we will write simply 30,000. That we have to write here one amount, okay. So before we should, after that we should write less additional capital. Additional capital 15,000. Then after this also we will draw one line. What is this? Adjusted closing capital. Adjusted closing capital. Okay. Then less opening capital. Opening capital is given, isn't it? Capital 1 lakh. Less opening capital, we will get what? Profit. Profit is given, isn't it? 60,000. Okay, now we will start from down. Okay, this 2 we have to add. This profit, no? So we have to add these 2 and write here. How much? 1,60,000. Okay, so now you see from 1,60,000, if you deduct 1 lakh, we will get 60,000. That is correct. Now here less additional capital. So you add these 2 and write there. Okay, 1,75,000. Here less means we need to add. Okay, 1,75,000. Now you see from 1,75,000, if you deduct 15,000, we will get 1,60,000. Okay, now add drawing. So we have to deduct. Okay, subtract 5. Then 7 minus 3, 4. 1. So 1,45,000 is the closing capital. If you need, you can write once again closing capital. Therefore, closing capital is equal to rupees 1,45,000. Answer I can write. Okay, or you can leave simply, or with the pencil you can mark like this. Okay, with the pencil we can mark. This is the answer. Okay, students, you might have understood this. Calculate profit from incomplete records. One more exercise is there. Okay, that also I will do and show. The fifth one. Okay, 3, 4, 5 only we have to. Let me show the problem form. Okay, 5. From the following details, calculate the missing figure. Capital, opening, closing given, additional capital given, profit made, drawings they have asked. Okay, we will calculate. Now we will do. Okay, same. First number, then heading. Okay, what is the heading? Statement of profit. For the year ending. For the year ending. Which one then? 31st March 2019. 31st March 2019. Okay. Particulars, then rupees. Rupees symbol. Okay, first closing capital. Closing capital how much? 50,000. Add drawings. We do not know drawings, isn't it? We do not know. So, draw the line. Then, plus additional capital. Each exercise is different. One they are asking us to calculate profit, another one loss, another one drawings, in some problem closing capital. Okay, so how we have to do, you need to listen. That's all. Additional capital not given. Additional capital given, isn't it? 7,000. So it has gone there. Here we have to write, okay, 7,000. Then this is called adjusted closing capital. Less opening capital. Plus opening capital. Opening capital is 40,000. We will get profit. Okay, how much is the profit? 8,000. Now we will do from reverse. Okay, told you closing capital must be more to get profit. So we need to add these two and write. How much we will get? 48,000. Okay, then less additional capital. So we need to add these two. So what we will get? 55,000. Okay, then add drawing. So we need to deduct. Okay, add means less. 55 minus 5, 5,000. Now you check 50,000 plus drawings, add 55. From there, if you deduct additional capital 748, there if you deduct 40, we will get 8. Okay. Then again you can mark with the drawings only is the answer. Otherwise here therefore drawings is equal to rupees 5,000 you have to write. Okay students, so today we have learned 3 exercise and 3 illustrations. Okay, then next one. Tomorrow we will learn the next method. Okay, that is statement of affairs. Okay, a little improvement from this type of problem. Okay, that is also simple only, but little more we have to do, but it is easy only. Okay, thank you students.